Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, many women want a hairstyle that looks stylish but is also easy to manage. The good news is that there are many beautiful haircuts that do not need a lot of time, styling or effort. Let's look at some wonderful haircut ideas that are perfect for women over 50. First is the classic pixie cut. This haircut is short, neat and very easy to maintain. A pixie cut makes your hair look fresh and modern. It also saves a lot of time because you do not need a time to spend long hours styling your hair. Just wash, dry and you are ready to go. This haircut also highlights your face and gives a youthful look. Second is a short layered bob. This is one of the most popular styles for women over 50. The layers add volume and movement to the hair. It looks great on straight hair and also on slightly wavy hair. The best thing about this haircut is that it looks good even without much styling. You can simply comb it and it still looks beautiful. Another great option is the shoulder length layered cut. This haircut is perfect for women who do not want very short hair. The layers make the hair look soft and light. It is easy to maintain and works well with natural hair texture. You can tie it, clip it or leave it open depending on your mood. Next is the soft shag haircut. This style has light layers and gives a relaxed and modern look. The shag haircut is great because it works well even when the hair grows a little longer. It adds natural volume and makes the hair look fuller, which many women like after the age of 50. Another beautiful choice is a short curly cut. If you have curls, this haircut is perfect for you. Instead of hair every day, you can embrace your natural curls. A short curly cut is easy to wash and manage, and it gives a fun and lively appearance. We also have the layered grey hairstyle. Many women over 50 are now proudly showing their natural grey hair. With the right haircut and layers, grey hair look elegant and stylish. It also means you do not need to color your hair often, which saves time and effort. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.